there's an Arctic. Oh.
Yeah.
I see house.
Oh, I think just spotted it.
Through the trees.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's where that is.
Yes.
Ah, oh. Now that's the little gatehouse.
So do you think it's down here?
Yeah.
Wait a minute then, because I ain't got it. I'll have to get my phone. Well,
The GoPro's there.
sometimes I've got all my phone.
The lock. Excuse me. Quarter of a mile to the park. It's over the other side of there.
That's right. It's familiar now.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's funny, 15 years, but you still can remember. I think it's over there.
Yeah, well, just
That back there.
yeah. We're just driving, we think, by where Monarch of the Glen was filmed. We went by here 15 years ago, didn't we?
Purely by accident.
Purely by
That
accident.
time.
And
As far as we remember.
as far as
I
we
looked it up and gone,
Yeah.
oh, I'll go around
Yeah.
the car.
and then we forgot where it was. So, because we've been with
Perhaps this way today.
Day and
David and Lindsay.
yeah, David and
Knew
Lindsay
exactly where it was.
knew exactly where it was and said, "Oh, it's there." So
Yeah, as you're going across there,
There,
look
it's-
left, and you'll see it.
see it. But it's very stunning
It's lovely down this road.
down this road, yeah.
The mountains to one side and the lock to the other.
Yeah. So there's the mountain. Oh, I've lost the mountains now.
Obviously somewhere is the laird's
Yeah.
house.
Yes, we've got such pretty autumn colours on the leaves, which is really nice. Don't know if it'll show it up quite as.
Oh look, there's an Arctic. Oh!
Yeah.
Plenty of room.
It should, we say. Oh, there's a mojo.
Kayaking.
Yeah. It is quite a large lock.
Humongous. I see house.
I think just spotted it
Through the trees.
through the
Over
trees.
there. Look, yes, there it is.
There it is. Hey.
Now we just need to find the parking space.
Space.
And a gap in the trees to see it.
Yes. Don't tell me there isn't one. That'd be really annoying.
That would be annoying if you can't just get a clear view of it. Nothing behind me, so I can go a bit slower.
Yeah.
See, there's lots of trees in the way.
Yes. Oh, there. Oh, I can see it there now.
I thought it would be.
Yeah. We should be a little bit of a break. Reduce speed now. Yes, we are doing.
I can't reduce speed much more, that's when we stopped on the road.
Fair enough.
That's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the one.
We was coming the other way last time, weren't we, when we saw it?
Yeah. We spotted it.
Just probably. There it is,
Here we
yeah.
are.
We have a
I
parking
don't
spot,
know how much you'll be able to see
but.
from it, but there is a little cut in here.
Yeah.
Get in, dodge in.
Aha. I'm sure.
Where is it?
It's there, look. Straight
Oh,
ahead.
yes, there it is. Oh,
Straight ahead.
through the trees.
Yeah, I don't know whether I can.
Maybe we'll get a picture with the phone.
Yeah, maybe.
Better.
Are you getting out or?
I can. Give us your phone.
There's my phone there.
See if I can get a picture. did the best I could, but the freaking tree was in the way.
Oh. Freaking tree.
Exactly.
So yes, that is Monarch of the Glen where it was filmed. I'm just looking at all the lovely colours and the berries. Lots of golds.
You get the back view of it there.
Yeah.
Nowhere to stop.
No, that's the only problem, isn't it?
So we get that
I think
picture.
obviously when we came last time, obviously the trees weren't as established, were they?
Well, they were 15 years younger.
Yeah, so they're a bit shorter.
This is a bit clearer.
But with the hill, actually. Probably too far away now. But
But we found it again.
yes.
After 15 years. Which is
Yeah.
nice.
And it's really pretty around here, isn't it? Especially with all the with the autumn changing colours. And yeah, it's, as you can see, it is a rather large lock. I don't know how long it goes on for.
Quite a way.
Quite a way, yeah.
Couldn't even tell which lock it is.
No, I'm not sure without looking it up.
No.
We'll do that before we put the video out, and then you can tell them.
Put it on the bottom of the screen.
Yes. And which road? And that's what I meant to do. Look where we were.
Lock road.
Yeah.
The A86.
We're on the A86.
Is the actual
But
road.
I was going to look at the maps as exactly where it was when we were there.
Craig Meagold
National. Oh, right.
National Nature Reserve.
So it's not far from that.
That way.
Up there. Up that way.
Towards the A9.
Towards the A. Yeah. On the A86 going towards the A9, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, alright.
We're not.
No,
That is.
that is. Oh, now it's starting to rain.
From Fort William.
So yeah, that was Jeremy.
And we're going the opposite way. To
Yeah.
Fort William. After having left the Cullen this morning.
Yes, we have had a lovely weekend with David and Lindsay.
Yes, Douglas. You subscribe to them if you're not already.
Yes, lovely people.
And if you want to know more about Cullen,
Well, if you want to know about anything in Scotland, they
pretty
know.
much.
They pretty
Anything
much know a lot. Yes.
Yeah.
They know a lot of stuff. They are very hospitable, are very warm, loving people, which is really nice.
You know Lindsay will be cringing now.
Oh, she? Yeah. But she is. But I don't know. We just like each other. So
A Scottish trip isn't a Scottish trip if you don't go and see David and Lindsay.
no, absolutely not. So
It's part of it.
so now we're on to the next. Well, obviously, you know, we're on the A86. Yay!
You remembered.
That's it.
Locals are impatient.
Yeah. And we're heading to where?
Fort William.
Fort William.
Yep, that direction.
That direction.
And we'll see where we end up.
Yeah. So we haven't quite made our minds up yet, have we?
Nope.
We've got
Flying blind on a rocket sign.
science, yeah. So
Take it as it goes.
yeah. So we had so far up to date, we had 4 days at the 3 days at the show at the NEC. Ooh.
Well done. Yeah, nice week there. At the NEC show.
Yeah. Then we went up to
Summerswood.
Summerswood. Yeah, lovely campsite.
To
Then
the Kelpies.
we went to the Kelpies, which
Nice
was
night at the Kelpies.
yeah, really good night out there.
Then on to Cullen to see David and Lindsay.
Then on to Cullen to see
Desmond's
David.
London.
Desmond's.
Subscribe.
And now say we're heading towards Fort William, and then once we get there, we should decide
Where are we going then?
where we're going then. So we shall keep you informed. Oh,
Eventually.
eventually.
When we remember to film.
Yes. Because we keep forgetting, because I just keep looking at all the I love the I'm saying I love the changing of the colours of the autumn into the autumn colours. It's just so pretty. So there's so many.
Shower.
Huh?
Shower.
I have done.
Oh.
But it is. It's really pretty, and because there's masses of it, it looks more stunning than ever. So, hokey dokes then. We shall catch you a bit later.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
It's not bye.
Huh? It's what?
It's not bye.
It's not bye.
Not the end.
No, it's not bye. No,
The beginning of the end.
it's toodaloo then. Toodaloo for now.
Ah, the dam.
Oh, there's the dam.
It's stopping place.
Oh yeah.
You can actually stop
Oh,
and look
yes.
at this properly.